Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, so let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to, of course, wake up the screen on your watch. And you can do it by pressing the home button, right here. After you wake up the screen, you can press the home button again to open the menu. Wake up the screen, press the home button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom, you should see the settings icon. Tap on it. In settings, scroll all the way down again, and at the bottom you should see the system icon. Tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called reset and tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's tap on it and wait until the process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.